Alright guys, here we have the 2022 KTM 250 SXF. And if you missed my 350 XCF video, that covered the few updates that were on this bike. Obviously the graphics scheme, the blue seat, it got a new counterbalancer bearing, which is a plain bearing now instead of a needle bearing, so as to help out a little. I'm sure it got a shim stack update. Besides that, this bike is pretty much the same as last year. So I'm gonna give you a good look around on it, and then we're gonna go ahead and start it up and let you hear it all in one video. Obviously you get all the highest quality stuff on the KTMs, guys. You get the machined black clamps, you get the Excel wheels, polished hub, black spoke, you get the aluminum subframe, hashtag ready to race. That's what KTM says, and and these bikes are ready to race, guys, right off the showroom floor. So let's start this thing up and listen to it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, hit the like and subscribe button. Every 2022 model I can get my hands on is going to have a walk around telling you about the updates, and a first start, and probably usually a break-in ride too. So make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.